So with these treatments, it is worth it. It's uncomfortable, but if it's going to change how you feel about your body, then I think it's worth it. Today we're talking about laser tattoo removal, the pain, the process, and what colours we can treat. So tattoo removal, in this company we have a PicoWay, we have a PicoSure, and we also have a Q-switch laser. So the PicoSure laser we can use to remove the lighter colours such as light blue, light green, the pinks and purples. With our PicoWay laser we can use that one for reds, oranges as well as blacks. Typically we can remove all colours on lighter skin tones, but as we get to the Asian skin types, it can be a little bit more tricky and a little bit more high risk to remove things like reds, greens and blues. It's not always the case, but that's why it's best for you to come and have a consultation. So laser tattoo removal works by breaking up the ink in your skin into very small particles where your blood and your lymphatic system flushes out this ink. And this happens over a period of roughly around 8 weeks. Most people, if you're trying to remove a tattoo completely, you're going to need between 6 and 8 treatments, and in some cases more. It really is a case-to-case basis when it comes to tattoos. So the older the tattoo, and also where the tattoo is being put on your body. So anything that's close to your heart, so in the chest and the torso and the back, upper arm, can be a lot easier to remove than things like on an extremity. So on your feet, on your hands, or lower arms, you have less blood flow in this area, so it can mean that it's going to be a longer process for these tattoos. So we do suggest that you get yourself some numbing cream before your treatment. Everything's going to be sent to you via email regarding the aftercare and how to prepare yourself for your treatment. But I would just suggest putting on some numbing cream 1 hour before your treatment, nice thick layer. You can apply some cling film on the area so it's airtight. And when you come in, we will remove it for you and you won't feel it as much. Without numbing cream, it can be a painful treatment, so we just definitely highly recommend that one. So there are things to consider when you're doing tattoo removal. So obviously when you're doing a treatment, afterwards you will get a bit red and you can in some cases get quite itchy as well. We apply a medical grade bandage which helps to protect the skin, and we ask you to leave this on for a minimum of 2 days. Once you've removed the bandage after 2 days, you're going to be using some Vaseline to keep the area moisturised. And then from there we'll ask you to be massaging the area with bio oil. As your treatments are going on, you're going to have a maybe more stronger reaction in some cases. Sometimes you'll find that everything's heals really quickly. This can include things like some swelling, some blistering, scabbing, dryness, and just in general like a little bit inflamed around the area. This doesn't happen to everyone. Red ink is more likely to swell and blister than black ink, but it really depends on the person, the area. There's so many different factors as to why you get reactions like this. If you've got any other questions or you need some help getting booked in, please give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help.